Dang, I think it's freaking hailing now. I don't know, the snow kind of hurts a little bit. You know what? Who cares? It is okay. The snow never really hurt anybody, as long as, you know, you're not out on the roads. And if it's snowing where you are, please be careful, please be warm. Make sure your babies have lots of layers on them. I put like 3 thermals on my son just to make sure that he is warm. To be completely honest, I know it's winter, but I cannot believe it's snowing. That's really weird to me, because it never snows. And it's snowing? That's how you know the world is just... it's got its issues, but it's okay. I'm still out here getting my steps, doing my thing. My neighbors probably all think I'm nuts. I was walking around the entire neighborhood, and I even went to the gym today. But then the gym closed because of the snow. And I'm like, okay, well, we've got a neighborhood. You've got the proper clothing. Get to it. And you should get to it too, because no excuses.